Today's video is a thrift with me at Goodwill video that quickly turned into a sold on eBay video, as I sold 3 of the 5 items already. Stick around until the end of the video to see what items sold and for how much. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and Amazon. Now let's jump right into this thrift with me video.
Okay, so today is Friday. I've worked 3 days this week, so it's been a short week, but it feels like a very long week.
For those of you that do not know or are new to my channel, I work full-time as a web developer and usually hit this same Goodwill during my lunch hour. I will purchase the items during my lunch hour and then list them before or after work or on the weekend. So I like to say I have 2 full-time jobs.
I'm going to go into Goodwill on my lunch hour and see what I can find. There's a lot of cars here today, so it looks a little crowded. I may or may not be able to film inside, we'll see. I will let y'all know if I find anything good.
I always head to the back of the store first, where they set out carts and clothing racks of new items just pulled from the back. If you get there when the store opens, this section is usually very crowded. But because I'm here at noon, the crowd has died down quite a bit. Here's the items that I pulled today. Nike golf pants, 2 Wrangler 20X denim jeans, 2 Tommy Bahama fairly large size shirts, for a total of just 5 items.
Find a few things. I spent $20. I picked up 2 Wrangler 20X denim jeans for $4.25 each. I got 2 really large Tommy Bahama silk shirts for $3.50 each. A pair of white Nike golf pants for $3.50. So I was only in there for about half an hour, but I did find a few things. The jeans, I've not sold the Wrangler 20X before, but the comps looked good. I'm looking maybe $30, $35 each. So I'm gonna go home and get these listed and see what happens.
I asked my Instagram followers if I should buy or pass on a couple of the items that I found at Goodwill. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm piece.of.scrap on Instagram. The majority of my Instagram followers, at 71%, said buy on the Wrangler 20X denim jeans for $4.25, while 29% said pass. The other pair of 20X jeans, style 42, that I thought maybe Wrangler, only 52% of my Instagram followers suggested I buy, while 48 said pass. I also asked Instagram about a Hugo Boss polo. I don't see this brand that often, but the comps were all over the place. 36% said buy, while 64% said pass. I don't always agree with my Instagram followers, but this time we got it right. I did purchase the 2 Wrangler 20X denim jeans and left the Hugo Boss polo behind. To review, I stopped by Goodwill on my lunch hour and spent about 30 minutes. I paid $19. I estimate to make about $183 on this Goodwill haul. I purchased 2 Wrangler denim jeans at $4.25 each, 2 Tommy Bahama shirts for $3.50 each, and a pair of Nike golf pants for $3.50. What I expect to make is shown on the right-hand side. $87 on the 2 Wrangler denim jeans shipped, $32 each on the Tommy Bahama shirt each shipped, and another $32 shipped on the Nike golf pants. And here's how I reached that estimated sales number. As I mentioned, this thrift with me video is now a what sold on eBay video, as many of the items sold within days on eBay. I already sold both pair of the Wrangler 20X denim jeans. The first pair, style 33, sold for $37 shipped. The next pair of Wranglers 20X, style 42, sold for $38 plus 12 shipping, that being $50 all in shipped. I also sold one of the Tommy Bahama silk shirts for $25 plus 7 shipping. The buyer was $32 all in, and coincidentally it shipped to Hawaii. How you doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me I should continue to do these type of thrift hauls. Also click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers. In today's Thrift With Me video that quickly turned into a what sold on eBay video, I paid $19 at Goodwill. 3 of the 5 items have already sold, resulting in $119 of gross sales. My net profit on all 5 items thus far is $58.22. Net profit is the amount of money that goes into your bank account after cost of goods sold and fees. The 2 remaining items from this thrift haul are currently listed on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. This Tommy Bahama blue 100% silk shirt. It's on promotion now for $36, but I am open to offers. And these Nike golf pants, I'm surprised these are taking so long to sell. They are on promotion for $38.64, and I am open to offers. I will post a link to my eBay store in the description below if you're interested, or you can go directly to pieceofscrap.com for all of my reseller store links. As I mentioned, I do have these items cross-posted to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. I used to cross-post everything manually, but recently I signed up for List Perfectly and I absolutely love it. It is such a time saver. If you're interested in using List Perfectly, I'll add a link below in the description. Using my affiliate link, you will receive 30% off of your first month. I strongly encourage you to give it a try. You can always cancel it if you're not satisfied. Having already sold 3 of the 5 items for $119 total, I'm well on my way of turning my $19 into $183 gross sales for just a 30-minute trip at Goodwill. This Thrift With Me video took a lot longer to edit than I expected, but I will get faster in time. I like to produce YouTube content that is different than other resellers you may already follow. But I'm curious, do you like this Thrift With Me format, or should I try something different? Either give this video a thumbs up or even a thumbs down if you don't like it. Many of you watching are not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Also, tell your friends and share on your social media accounts. I need all the help I can get with this YouTube channel. I invite you to join my eBay Facebook group. It's at For Sale on eBay. This group was created long before Poshmark and Mercari even existed. I will often post bolo items that aren't posted elsewhere first. So before you see them in my YouTube videos, they are posted in my Facebook group. I will have a link in the description below. It's Piece of Scrap Sales on eBay, and I'll see you there. If you'd like to see what else may have sold from this Thrift With Me video, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell to be notified of my next What Sold video. Continue watching the What Sold playlist located here. I will catch you in the next video.